Hey guys, Joe here, what is up? And in this special video, I am gonna do an unboxing and testing out the Aputure A.lav Easy Omnidirectional microphone. So let's go and start with the unboxing. For the purpose of this review and unboxing video, all the audio productions was used using the Aputure A.lav Easy plugged into my LG G4 phone for voiceover. Let's get started with the unboxing video. Firstly, you have a hard carry case, manuals and warranty card. Inside the hard carry case, you have the microphone with a fancy leather strap that shows the Aputure logo, and a white windshield to minimize the strong wind noise. So that's basically what's in the box. A little fact about this product is that it is a TRRS microphone, suitable solely for phones and tablets. Now that I'm done showing you the unboxing part, let's go and do some testing. So first off, we're gonna do a testing in an indoor situation. You are currently hearing the built-in microphone of my Canon M10 camera with no microphone connected to anywhere. Now you are hearing the Aputure A.lav Easy Omnidirectional microphone connected to my LG G4 phone and using a voice recorder application. Now that we're done doing a testing in an indoor situation, let's head outside and do a testing in a controlled and uncontrolled environment. Guys, I am here at Lola Corazon Leisure Park for vacation. Right now you are hearing the audio quality of my built-in microphone of my phone, and I will let you hear how does it differ if I put the Aputure A.lav Easy microphone. Now you are hearing the Aputure A.lav Easy microphone that is attached to my LG G4 phone. As of now, I can't give my assessment because I have to hear it once I upload this footage into my laptop. But tell me, how did it improve this video footage in terms of the audio quality? Let me know in the comment box. Today I am here at the Camera House event at BGC with a couple of my friends, and I'm currently gonna do a testing for the Aputure A.lav Easy omni-directional microphone. Alright, so now you're hearing the audio quality of the Aputure A.lav Easy microphone. I can't really tell the difference as of this moment. So tell me guys, does it make a big difference if I put the microphone in my phone, or is it better if I have it without it? Comment down in the comment section and tell me what you think about it. Now that I'm done giving you guys some tests in a controlled and uncontrolled outdoor environment, I do have hope that I have given you an insight on how important audio is in creating your videos. And if you decide to buy this product, I will put down a link in the description so you can check out Shuttermaster Pro and Aputure. And if you want to learn more about Aputure's products, head to Aputure Asia user group in Facebook. And lastly, if you want to be updated in my future videos, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram account, and like my Facebook page. This is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next vlog venture. See you guys!